couldn't make my trip all the way to Geneva and not see the UN. Unfortunately, it's closed because I kind of timed myself at the wrong time because it's already past 5 o'clock. They're already closed here on Thursday. But it's kind of cool to see, you know, where a lot of the major world decisions happen right here in Geneva. I'm going to flip the camera over so you guys can see this too. This is pretty cool. They have a display here called the Broken Chair. It's a huge, huge statue. Let me actually turn around so you guys can see the comparison, how tall it is. I'm just gonna walk around the UN building, just kind of see what the atmosphere is like, and plus it's a really beautiful day out. But this sign, I was curious to see if they allow visitors here, and they allow visitors 6 days a week except for Sundays, and that's what that sign says. Unfortunately, I won't be able to come back here. This is gonna be a perfect excuse for me to come back to Geneva another time, because tomorrow I gotta catch a 3.5-hour train to go back to Zürich, because I gotta catch a flight in a couple of days. Again, this is why I travel to different countries, just to see what they offer. I know you could do it the fast way where you could go and look up online, but I like to do it the old-fashioned way where I just walk around and kind of explore. So that way in the future when somebody asks me like, hey, why are you going back to Switzerland? Didn't you already been there? Now I have an excuse. Same with Singapore. You know, there are certain things in Singapore that I missed, but now when I go back, I have a reason to go back. So this is basically my excuse to return to Geneva.